Okay, dear students, welcome back. We'll continue the number system in today's class also. And today we'll compare Nepali and international system. Since we are in Nepal, we have to convert the international number name system also into Nepali. Okay, here I have brought some questions for you. For example, let me solve question 1. We'll compare the Nepali number system into international system and international number system into Nepali also. Okay, for you, question number 1. How many millions are there in 3 crores? How many millions are there in 3 crore? How many millions are there in 3 crores? First of all, let me write the number 3 crore in Nepali system. Nepali system. Okay, let's write 3 crores. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, isn't it? 3 crores. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crores. We put the commas after 3 digit at first. 1, 2, 3, comma. Then after 2 number, comma, 2 number, comma. Nepali system. In Nepali system, we write 3 crores in this way. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. The same digit we write in international system. International system, let me write the same number. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. And in international system, how do we make the commas? We make the comma after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And leave it. Now count the number in international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. That means 30 million. 30 million. Therefore, how many millions are there in 3 crore? There are 30 million in 3 crores. This is the comparison between Nepali and international system. There are 30 millions in 3 crores. Similarly, question number 2. How many billions are there in 4 arabs? In the same way, first of all, you write 4 arabs in Nepali system and write that number in international system, separate it with commas. Now count the number in international system and then you write the conclusion. Got it? So, okay. One more example. How many lakhs are there in 4 million? We are comparing 4 million into lakhs, right? First of all, write down million in international system. Okay, let's write 4 million, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. How much million? 4 million. Separate it with comma. In international system, we write 4 million in this way. And in national system, in Nepali system, okay, copy down the same number here. 4 and 6 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In Nepali system, we separate the number by comma just after 3 digit we put comma, and then after 2 digits, and then 40, right? Now count the number in Nepali system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. How much lakhs? Now it is 40 lakhs. Therefore, 4 million is, or let's say 4 million is equals to 40 lakhs. In this way we can compare the number system into Nepali system into international system, and international number name system into Nepali system. Okay, let's move towards the next term. Express the number in expanded form. Okay. Question number 3. Express 50608491 in expanded form in terms of 10, right? So 50608491. And how do we expand this number? Okay, let me write the number 5 times 10, and to the power, how many numbers are there after 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 numbers after 5, right? So we write power 8. For this 0, we don't need to write 0 times 10 to the power. We don't need to write this 0. Since 0 times any number equals to 0, so we don't need to write this one 0. So let's move to 6. 6 times 10 to the power. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 numbers. Plus, so I have already said we don't need to write for 0. 8. 8 times 10 to the power. How many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 numbers after 8. Plus 4 times 10 to the power. 1, 2, 3 numbers, right? So write 3. Plus 9 times 10 to the power 2. Plus 3 times 10 to the power 1. Plus 1 into 10 to the power. Is there any number after 1? No. So power 0. This is the way of writing or expressing the number into expanded form. You can write the number and you can try out one more example. Similarly, if the question is given in expanded form, see, the question is in expanded form. Now we are expressing that expanded questions into short form. So question number 4. Question number 4. Look at board. There is 10 times, so 8 times 10 to the power 5 plus 6 times 10 to the power 4 plus 2 times 10 to the power 3 plus 3 times 10 to the power 2 plus 1 times 10 to the power 1 plus 2 times 10 to the power 0. So this is the expanded form. Let me write first. Okay, 8 times 5 means after 8 there must be 5 digits, right? So make the blank 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to write the numbers, right? So that it makes easy for you. 10 into 10 to the power 5 means there are 5 digits after 8. So 6 into 10 to the power 4. 6 after 6 there must be how many digits? 4 digits. So there are 4 blanks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times 10 to the power 3. And after 2 there must be 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 3 into 10 to the power 2. 3 into 10 to the power 2 means after 3 there must be 2 digits. And 10 2 into 1 into 10 to the power 1. And then 2 into 10 to the power 0 means 2 must be at the last place. So your right answer, required answer is 862312. This is the required number for you. And if there is missing part, suppose if there is this one, see, 10 into 10 to the power 5 plus 6 into 10 to the power 4, and the series jumps like this, plus 3 into 10 to the power 2. 10 to the power 3 has been erased. So in this way what we do, 8 and then 5 blanks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blanks, right? And then 6 into 10 to the power 4. After 6 there must be 4 digits. So right here 6. And then 3 into 10 to the power 2. After 3 there must be 2 blanks. There must be 2 blanks. So where do we write 3? We write 3 here. And then 1 into 10 to the power 10. 2 into 10 to the power 0 means 2 is here. And what do we write at the blank space? We write 0. So your right answer is 860312. This is the short form of this expanded question. So in this way we solve the expanded question into short form, and short question we have expanded. So we have solved 2 pattern questions. So these are the questions, and you may consult your exercise book also. There are lots of questions, these types of questions in your exercise book also. So the next term, the next part that we have to study in number system is the greatest and the smallest number. Here I have listed some of the points that you have to remember before solving the greatest and the smallest number. These things you can note down in your note copy also. First thing is, 0 is not the least 1 digit number. If someone asks you what is the least 1 digit number, then your answer should not be 0, because it is not a counting number. 0 is not a counting number. 1 is the least 1 digit number. 1 is the least 1 digit number. 9 is the greatest 1 digit number. 10 is the least 2 digit number. 10 is the least 2 digit number. 99 is the greatest 2 digit number. In the same way, 9999 is the greatest 4 digit number, whereas 1000 is the least 4 digit number, and 9999 is the greatest 4 digit number, since it has 4 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Similarly, what we can do? 99999. This is the greatest 5 digit number, and 10000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So this is the least 5 digit number, and this is the greatest 5 digit number. In the same way you can continue the term. To write the greatest number by using different digits, they are arranged in descending order. Number F. To write the greatest number by using different digits, I have used same number to write the greatest digit, right? So if there are different numbers, then how do we write the greatest number? Okay. Write the greatest number of, suppose, 6 digits using the number Suppose 5, 7, 3, 6, 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Arranging these 6 digits, we have to write the greatest number. Write the greatest number of 6 digits using the number 5, 7, 3, 6, 0, 2. So if the question is like this, what you have to do is, you have to write the greatest number at first. You have to write the greatest number at first. The greatest number of 6 digits is, so write the greatest number at first. So which one is the greatest? 7. Then after 6. Then after 5. Then after 3. Then after 2. Then after 0. So 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 0 is the greatest number of 6 digits, arranging this one. And at the time of examination, at the time of solving the problems in your class also, I found the students putting the commas over each numbers. See? So this is not required. The question is not arrange the number in ascending order. The question is the greatest number of 6 digits. So you should not have to put commas over here. Your right answer is here. And if the same question is like this, write the smallest number of 6 digits using the number, let me take this number, okay. 6, 2, 5, 0, 8, 4, 7 digits, right? Okay. Write the smallest number of 7 digits using the number 6, 2, 5, 0, 8, 4 and 1. Arranging these 7 digits, we have to write the smallest number, right? Okay. The smallest number of 7 digits is, we have to write the small digit at first. Here, while making the greatest number, we write the greatest number at first. And while making the smallest number, we have to write the smallest number at first. This is the term that you have to understand. So, the smallest number is 0. Should we write 0 at first? No. Because I have already said 0 is not the counting number. So, you have to write, if there is 0, you have to write this 0 after one digit. So, we accept this 0, which is the smallest one. 1 is the smallest, right? Then write 0. You shouldn't have to write the 0 before. 1, 0. Now you can go in ascending order, right? 1, 0. Then which one is the smallest? 2. Which one is next? 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. This is the required number. I have already said you have to keep in mind that if the 0 is in your question, you should have to write the 0 at first. You should not have to write the 0 at first. 0 comes at the second place while making the smallest number. Here is the question. Find the difference between the greatest and the smallest number. Find the difference means, first of all, arranging these numbers, you have to write the greatest number at first. And then write the smallest number. And the difference means you have to subtract the smallest number from the greatest number. That is the term. And the question 1 I have already done. Write the smallest, write the sum of the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, I'll solve this question 1 for you. Write the sum of the greatest and the smallest number. Okay. Question 1, solution, right? The greatest number of 6 digits is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the greatest number of 6 digits. the smallest number of 6 digits is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. This is the smallest digit of 6 number, and this is the biggest or the greatest number of 6 digits. And the question is, write the sum of the. Okay. Now the sum of greatest and smallest number of 6 digits is, sum means we have to add. Okay, 9 plus 0 1. Okay, make a sum. 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 0 9, 9 plus 1 10. Okay, this is the required answer. So if the question is difference, you just make the difference. You just make the subtraction over here. In this way, in this class, we have learned about the greatest number, smallest number, expansion of numbers, and writing the short form of the numbers. Here I have brought some question for your practice, so you can make the screenshot of these questions and you can practice yourself. If you do not have the course book also, these questions will work for you. Okay, thank you for being with us. Thank you for your time. Thank you.